Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a new product from the company Karpal floor mats for my RAV4. So let's put them on, let's put them to the test and let's see how they work. So let's get to it. I'm gonna put these floor mats to the test. That means that this episode is not gonna be over today. I wanna really put them on the RAV4, put them to the test, and we're gonna see how easy they are to clean and how they're gonna look after, I would say, like a week of use. And also one thing that I noticed when I opened this box yesterday is that you have kind of like the instructions inside. That means that you have the floor mats actually in here, what your package has, I believe. Don't throw away this box. DIY blueprints on the inner surface. That's pretty cool. Driver's side, you also gonna have an envelope with instructions. This is for the second road. Also, yes, we do have for the trunk, and that's pretty neat. And also for the back of the seats. And I think for these ones, I think that's why it has instructions. I think you need to cut this part for the little hooks for the child seat. If you can see down there, I have seat covers, so I'm not gonna use the ones on the rear. But it's really easy to put them on. You just remove the paper on the tape, put them right there, but obviously you have to lay down the seats. I'm not gonna use them. That's the only reason why. I have seat covers. Passenger side. Of course, my RAV4 is clean. Let's see the fitment on the passenger side. I can tell that this one is gonna be better than my last one. I'm gonna show you why. Why these floor mats are better? The cutout. If you can see, it goes up just a little bit and it's kind of like a fold, and it covers more than some other brands. Cutout on the back is better. It goes a little bit longer than other floor mats and it forms really well. So yeah, it just needs to form a little bit more. We can remove this tape. Let's go for the driver's side. Put it on, twist the lock, lock them in place. I'm gonna keep these floor mats a couple of days to form better because they were in the box, but you can see the cutout goes really long, so you can rest your foot in here, and some others is really short, like up to here. This one goes all the way to the back. You can rest your foot in there without getting the carpet dirty. If you can see that mark right there, that's my old floor mats. They get only through here, like I said. This one goes all the way to the back, so better, goes up a lot longer than the last one, goes up on that side, and on the back side a lot of coverage. So my only concern is gonna be this. Hopefully in a few days it forms better so it can cover more around the edge. Now let's put the one on the back. Goes up on the middle of the tunnel. Coverage really good. Goes all the way to the back. Yeah, the coverage is great. The design too. And one thing that I noticed on this one, especially when I grab it to put it on, it feels thicker than the other set that I have here. These ones are kind of heavy too. Yeah, they form really well. This is my previous one. Not thick enough. It's okay. It does the job, but you can see here the cutout is flat. It doesn't go up, so there it goes all the way in the middle, and it's really soft. It's not thick enough. I think those, hopefully they're gonna last a lot longer and they're not gonna deform like these ones. You can see right here on this area. And same thing on this one, all the way to the front, goes up. So all the stuff, water, snow, dirt, everything stays in here. Now for the trunk. And on this one as well, I'm gonna wait until this sits better because it was in the box, but right away I can see that it has the cutout going all the way up on this area. You can see WaterTech is kind of flat on the end, and all the way around is pretty much the same as this one, goes up all the way around, but this one has a little bit more coverage in here. And this one stays flat with the trunk. That means if you have dirt, you can just remove it easily. But this one is a little bit better than WaterTech because it goes all the way up, so dirt is not gonna get in there. And this one is just a little bit longer, so all the dirt doesn't go in, but it goes out. And this is what I have with my RAV4 because my RAV4 is I had the weather package. And like every other floor mat that I check, these ones, they're not gonna have a smell. They're not gonna crack in cold weather. They're not gonna lose their shape in hot weather. And the material is resistant, like every other floor mat that I check. But like I said before, this one doesn't finish in here. In like a week, I come back to this episode to finish it, and I'm gonna show you how they've been performing for the whole week. So, see you in a week. This is how the floor mats look after a week. Not too bad. This is the dirtiest one. So when I clean them, just to see how easy they are to clean, and then when I dry them, put them back on the car. And this is the driver. The rear one is the dirtiest one, so we're gonna start with this one. And for the passenger, it's not really dirty. We can just throw water and dry the mat. That will be fine. So they are really easy to clean. And there you have it, clean and dry. The only thing I'm waiting right now is for this part to form and get close to this plastic, and that will be fine. But it's gonna take a little time, or we can apply some heat and mold it. But other than that, floor mats are in good condition. I don't see any scratches yet after a week, so they're not gonna have any smell, scratch resistant, and they're gonna be easy to clean, and they work really good protecting your carpet. Rear one is back in place, and also, like I said before, it has the complete set. If you want to get it, I'm gonna leave the link in the description, because these ones, they're not just gonna protect the carpet, also the back of the rear seats with these ones. Trunk liner has been working fine, covers really well all the way around, so all the dirt is not gonna go inside. So guys, I'll leave you with this. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for these floor mats. This is for the non-hybrid, but on the description, if you go to the link, you're gonna find, if you have a hybrid, you're gonna find a set for yours. I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.